All right, outdoorsmen. Today I am going to do a quick unboxing of some ammunition that I got from Flight Day Ammunition. I want to thank Ben Myers for kind of hooking us up a little bit. This ammunition will go for a series of events that the Frederick County Ducks Unlimited chapter will be sponsoring here through the summer and into the early fall. So number one, thank you, Ben, so much, and Flight Day Ammunition for giving us a little bit of a discount so that we can continue to raise money for habitat restoration and conservation for ducks, other water and shore birds, as well as all of the mammals and insects that also benefit. So let's go ahead and get this stuff open. Aha, it's on the side, not on the top. So you can tell that this definitely is a true unboxing, not something that was staged. My knife's not super sharp. So let's go ahead. I think we'll just go ahead and open it here as well. Well, you don't have to worry about the material coming up missing because the box comes apart during transportation. I know that generally speaking, when Flight Day sends ammunition at a 200 volume, it's normally loose. So certainly I really appreciate that Ben was willing to send them to us in boxes. And in doing that, we were able to, we'll be able to sell it by the box, and it's not loose. So thank you very much, Ben. These are the number 4 2 3/4 inch shells. I am really excited to share these with the members here in Maryland. And really, I would love to be lucky enough to win a box or two of these myself. Definitely want to get out with them here in the fall. There will certainly be some on our silent auction table, and I am definitely going to be bidding those up. So here is the second box that we have. As I said, these were 12 gauge. This second box is going to be 20 gauge. So let's go ahead and get this box opened. And here are our boxes of 20 gauge shells. I'll close the box back up. And these are the 20 gauge shells. I can tell you that in looking at the 12 and 20 gauge, highly well crimped on the end. There are no exposed pellets. The craftsmanship of these shells looks to be excellent. You will hear reviews through the fall. I will tell you that Ben Myers and Flight Day are moving from bismuth because it is so terribly expensive right now to steel shot shells. I'm going to be ordering some of those for myself. Very interested in the concept of decreasing the amount of powder and reducing the overall speed, but still having it be at that supersonic speed. And then by reducing the powder size, increasing the number of pellets in each shell. Looking forward to getting them out and patterning them here. Hope you liked what I have to share today. If you're interested, I would highly recommend going and checking out number 1, Elliot Snyder's North American Waterfowler podcast, and on it there's a segment where he and Ben Myers from Flight Day spent a lot of time talking about the science of their new shells. In there, you'll get to get a code from North American Waterfowler for a discount on these shells. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, like and subscribe. I would highly recommend you check out Freelance Duck Hunting, North American Waterfowler podcast, and certainly go and check out everything that Flight Day Ammunition has to offer. Until next time, get outdoors.